Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check that your CPU supports Intel VTX or AMD and make sure you have admin rights in Windows 11. Once done, save any open files. You don't want data loss. Next, open Settings, go to System Recovery and choose Restart Now under Advanced Startup to enter UEFI. This gets you to the firmware interface where virtualization settings live. Make sure to note any custom BIOS passwords before rebooting, so you won't be blocked from the next steps. Once in UEFI, navigate to Security or Advanced Settings depending on your motherboard. You'll find virtualization options labeled Intel VTX, VTD, SVM, or AMD. Enable them. If there's a separate IMU or VTD option, turn that on as well for better device pass-through. Make sure to apply the changes. Use Save and Exit or the F10 shortcut specified at the bottom of the screen. After you save, the system reboots into Windows, and the firmware now exposes virtualization features that you now verify the change. Open Task Manager under Performance or Run System Info. EXE look for virtualization. Enabled. Then, turn on Hyper-V or Windows Hypervisor platform via Turn Windows features on or off if you plan to use Hyper-V. If virtualization still shows disabled, reboot back into UEFI and recheck the exact toggle. Sometimes it's nested or named differently. If problems persist, update your motherboard firmware. Load BIOS defaults or consult the manufacturer. That usually resolves hidden conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.